Hey there, Griddle Nation. Today we're diving into a classic recipe that brings back so many memories, school pizza. Who's ready to recreate that nostalgic taste right at home? Let's get started. First things first, we're prepping our pan to ensure our crust comes out perfect. We're using 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and sprinkling on some cornmeal to prevent sticking. This step is crucial for that authentic school pizza feel. Now let's whip up our pizza crust. In a stand mixer, we'll combine all-purpose flour, instant non-fat dry milk, salt, sugar, and rapid rise yeast. Next, we'll start with about 1 cup of warm water at about 105 degrees. Then adjust until you get the perfect pourable consistency. We're looking for something akin to a thick pancake batter. This recipe makes enough for 2 pizzas, so we're going to pour about half that dough into the pizza pan, and then we'll let it rest for about 10 minutes while we preheat our Blackstone pizza oven. Once it's heated, we can turn the temperature down and pop our crusts in. Once our crust has baked for about 10 minutes or until it starts to turn golden, we're going to start prepping our toppings. We've got some lean ground beef and a mild Italian sausage cooking up on a griddle. Be sure to break them up for that classic pizza topping texture. Now let's assemble our pizza. We'll spread our pizza sauce followed by a layer of shredded mozzarella. Add our meat topping and top it all off with another layer of mozzarella. And that's it. Our school pizza is ready to go back in the oven for about another 10 minutes, waiting for that cheese to get all melty and delicious. Once we've let it cool, we're going to flip it out onto a cutting board and go ahead and cut it into its classic rectangular shape and then serve it with a side of corn. This pizza is light and fluffy and pure nostalgia, and I'm sure your kids will love it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes, and until next time, happy cooking.
Mmm.